boxes that I glued in the back that I did with the white one. And what I'm gonna do is to the cover, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to make a hole right in the middle. So you can just mark it first. Perfect. So after I make my hole, that's where I'm gonna put my little stick. One step that we have to do before we put the stick inside is just put a little bit of hot glue in there, and this is the top, and then just connect it there and wrap it around all the way to the end. So you're gonna just continue wrapping around, and while you wrap around, just continue putting a little bit of hot glue so it doesn't come off. There you go. Okay. And then you're gonna continue doing that. Okay, so what I did next, I took 4 balloons and I inflated almost the same size I tried to be. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it with each other. Okay. So after I tie it, I'm just gonna put them together. Okay, perfect. So just wrap it around like that, and then just leave a little piece, like maybe cut it like up to there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it there, and then it's gonna leave me with this. It's gonna leave me. The next step I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna take my balloon. I'm just gonna take my balloon and put some hot glue inside there. And it's gonna stay like that. After I put it inside there, after we wrap around the mesh, what we're gonna do is tie it together and very tight to hold the balloon and the stick and the mesh together. See, after we tie it, this is how it's gonna be.